Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, moderator and committee, for the opportunity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me, Vera Budiarsa Arif, representing my research team, to deliver our research result here at the International Conference on Sustainable Agriculture and Farming System, or ECOSAP, on September 24, 25, 2020 via Zoom meeting. The title of our research is Characteristic of Coastal Sediment from the Kayong Utara District and Ketapang District as the ameliorant of peat soil in West Kalimantan. Okay, next. In the second slide, we want to introduce the peatland in West Kalimantan. In West Kalimantan, we have 124 peat hydrological units. There are 2.8 million hectares, almost 19.29% from total area of West Kalimantan. There maybe can be potential for agriculture. But if we use peatland turned into agriculture, we must prepare the condition is the loss of peat in quickly. Why? Because in general, if we turn into agriculture the peatland, that making a drainage can be make peat dry. If peat dry, they can be easily to burning. In soil cultivation, if too deep, can make the peat dry in first. They cannot back to the pit again. And the last, for the global condition, carbon dioxide emission. There are some of greenhouse gas emission. Okay. In this slide, we want to information about the effort to waste use peatland in West Kalimantan. Since the beginning, agriculture lime has been used as a peat enhancer. But for West Kalimantan, we have no source of lime. It is very difficult to get the lime. As to why the farmer or we burn the biomass from the land of the agriculture to get the ash with a function almost like a lime. And then Mr. Bambang Setiadi, they use the volcanic ash as a repair and fertilize for the peatland. These are the same like a lime must be our import from the Java because West Kalimantan doesn't have a volcano. Next, study history of the use of coastal sediment as a ameliorant in peat with the research team in University of Tanjung Pura. Began from Professor Sairi Sagiman in 1994. They use coastal sediment in the pit and they present in BPPT December 1994. After that, continue with Mr. Suyadi, influence of coastal sediment and lime for the soybean cultivation. Next, Suswati in 2012, they use the ameliorant from the coastal in Rasaujaya, Kuburaya district. And next, in 2015, Suswati, Sairi Sagiman, Sulakudin continue the research about effect of coastal sediment. In 2018, Arif with Suntoro, Sairi Sagiman, and Joko published the impact of coastal sediment for reclamation on peat in Kuburaya district. And the last is Arif Sutarman Ghafur Sairi Gaman Asripin Aspan in 2019. Characteristic of coastal sediment from 3 different sides of their potential as the ameliorant. You see in this picture, West Kalimantan have a very long coastal. That's why we want to know about the potential of the coastal sediment in the coastal area in the West Kalimantan. Next, in the 2020, we continue the research with Professor Toto Gunawan from University of Gadjah Mada and with team in Agriculture Faculty in University of Tanjung Pura II with DIPA program. We go to the south, the last area of the coastal in the West Kalimantan. They are Kayong Utara District and Ketapang District. From the analysis of laboratory, we can show the pH is very good. This is in the first column. We put the Pantai Kijing because the Pantai Kijing is very good until now, and then we see from the Kayong Utara District and Ketapang District, they have nearly same with the Kijing coastal. The texture analysis too, they have clay and silt is more than sand. It's very good to use the coastal or to implementation the coastal sediment in the pit soil or in peatland. Cation exchange capacity and base saturation too. They have base saturation is high, but not more than Kijing, but it's good for the first. Is okay. That's all what we find in the last research in 2020. In the area is Kayong Utara District and Ketapang District. Conclusion. First, coastal sediment as a local resource has the potential to become an ameliorant for peatland as well as agriculture limestone or dolomite. But not all of the coastal sediment along the coastal of West Kalimantan province can be used as an ingredient in peatland for agriculture business. For first criteria, coastal sediment with the characteristic in high pH, fine texture, and high base saturation has a potential as an ameliorant in peatland. Last slide, thank you address to the leader and the all committee of the International Conference on Sustainable Agriculture and Farming System, ECOSAF 2020, Dean of Faculty of Agriculture, Universitas Tanjung Pura, and the last Ministry of Research and Technology, National Agency for Research and Innovation. Thank you very much. We back to the moderator. Thank you.